Hey Josh, how you doing? Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing. Just wanted to get this video that I promised over to you so that you and the owner can take a look at it and give it a chat, see what you think. And really, as I mentioned, this is just a free video that I'm doing for some local businesses here in Colorado Springs and help everybody do what they can to bring their revenue up. So the three things I want to talk about are the top three that Google uses to rank websites in the organic search. And then we'll also talk a little bit about the Google Map Pack. But those three things are content, citations, and backlinks. So looking at your homepage here for Centerpoint, I like how you guys are laid out. Always good to have contact on the right-hand side, local picture. So when I'm looking at any website, first thing I look for is content. You guys have pretty good content. Believe it or not, Google likes to see 1,500 words or more on the home page. They even count, if we take one of the images here, they even count this as content. So one of the other things you can do for your content on the home page besides adding 1,500 words is to properly tag and label all of your pictures with keyword-rich content, because Google looks at that just like it looks at the regular text as far as content. So, but you have pretty good content here. I'd say you've got about 700 or 800 words. Okay, and I did do a search here for bathroom remodeling, Colorado Springs, and wanted to bring up the top three competition for you. Of course, the first thing we see is the ads, and you guys have an ad running here, Centerpoint. And then we've got BP bathrooms and independent construction all running ads. And then here's the great thing, you are number one in the top three in the Map Pack. So keep doing what you're doing here, guys. This is one of the crucial things that we help other businesses do, is to get in that top three. So you've got good Google reviews, they're above 4.0, which is really what you're shooting for. You're keeping up on new pictures most likely because they're ranking you up there. You can also label the pictures, any of the pictures that you put in your GMB. You can label those too. And then the other thing I'm not seeing is you could add a business description, usually would show up right here under your GMB. That'll help keep you up there too, but whatever you've been doing, keep doing it, because that's a crucial point. And then once we get beyond the Map Pack, your three top competitors, number one is Bath Planet. I know you're well advised on them. Home Advisor, BoardnerColorado.com. We got a Yelp in there, B&B, Better Business Bureau, and then Alpine Contracting. Okay, and then you guys are actually right here. So you're actually in the fourth position behind those three. So you're in a really good position already because you're on the first page, position 11, because they don't really count these questions here. So let's take a look at the competition real quick. Like I said, you're familiar with Bath Planet. I want to look at their content. So I actually have similar content to you guys. I noticed they also have walk-in tubs. Moving on, Boardner, Colorado. So their header has some rotating pictures. We can always just check this out. Pictures are not user-friendly or Google-friendly. We got some samples of cabinet refinishing. So they have a fair amount of content too. So kind of everybody's in the same wheelhouse here. And then Alpine Contracting is in the number 3 position. We got a couple of good shots. It's just labeled bathtub, but at least it's not numbers and letters. So they have a fair amount of content too. Actually, it looks to me like they've got maybe the most out of the 4, but not by much. So, and then again, you guys have a fair amount of content too. So 1,500 words or more. Second thing is citations. So we actually looked at the first and best citation which is this one for you guys. So Google actually is the best on that because NAP, name, address, phone number, that's the citation for your company. Wherever that appears outside your website, so it could be in a directory, could be the Yellow Pages, could be a trade magazine, anything like that. That's a citation, which is actually a type of a backlink, but it really stands on its own because Google looks out after that and looks across the whole internet to see how you represent there. So let's talk about backlinks now. I went ahead and put all three of the competitors in your own site into my tool here called Ahrefs, and you can see Bath Planet. We just really look at this line. This UR is the popularity of the website, and the DR is the strength. Okay, now the reason they have so much strength here is because they are a national company. However, I did sort it for the Colorado Springs back page from the National Bath Planet. And so what's interesting is they're only ranking for 19 keywords. So we could actually work on that and take these top 4 or 5, because these top 5 right here, they're on the first page for. That's just a little quick one there. And then Bordner, Colorado, number 2 position. They're really low on the popularity. Strength on the website is half of that. But strangely enough, 2,500 backlinks, 1,000 keywords compared to the number 1 position here. Now if I sort this on the national level, that's the part that'll be, we'll go back here. We'll keep moving. Okay, Alpine Contracting, number 3 position. Whoa, 6 on the UR, 3.6 on the DR. So there's your opportunity, my friend. Is you got an opportunity to slip in between the 2 and 3 position pretty easily. 93 backlinks, only 320 organic keywords. Okay, you've got 207 keywords and more backlinks, but you're actually carrying more strength. Excuse me. And so what we're looking at here is just need to strengthen your backlinks and add in about 1,200 words of content and sprinkle some of those citations around the internet. So here's one thing I wanted to show you. So the DR and UR are represented by these numbers. This is the bottom of the list. So all of these zeros are backlinks that are associated with your website that are not helping to power the website at all. So they're actually hurting the website. See how many there are. So out of all your backlinks, this whole page of 50 plus are almost all double zeros. Okay, so that's why the strength of your website isn't more. If we tweak these couple, 2 or 3 things, you can get yourself back up there, beating out that competition, get in the 2-3 position if you'd like to. Hope this was helpful for you guys. Feel free to reach out. Would love your feedback either way, and hope you're having a great day. Thanks.